Welcome back, viewers. Today we will be testing the intraday signal indicator. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. And as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down below in the description, and you should also see it pop up in the top corner right now. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Discord is a free group communication platform where we are having great discussions about all things to do with trading. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing the intraday signal indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 23 different strategies, with 5 of them being winners. We have also tested a total of 372 indicators, with a total of 151 winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% win-loss ratio threshold that we have set for them. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. But as we are working on building the best trading system possible, you could take any one of those 151 indicators and get out there and start potentially profitably trading the markets with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those indicators, and get out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your trading profits. Okay, so today's indicator is the intraday signal indicator, and you can see it here on screen. Setup on this is pretty easy. So you can see these backgrounds here where they go from red or green and back and forth here. And so basically when we get a red background, we are going to go short. When we get a green background, we are going to go long. And so I think we've tested a couple indicators like this before. Pretty simple, not a whole lot to it. Let's go ahead and get on with the testing. All right, so we get a slight break right here from one green to another green, that giving us our first signal to the upside there, and it looks like we do get to take profit. So first one is a decent trade there. Continue on with it here. Pick up another long signal right there. Unfortunately, that one is going to get stopped out. Then we pick up a short over here on this side, right about there. Looks like this one's going to get us to take profit. Let's just measure it out. Yep, sure does. Go ahead and continue on here. We then pick up a long over here on this side. That one's going to get us to take profit as well. So far as doing not too bad. right here, we pick up another long, so we get a break from one green to another, and that one is also going to get us to take profit. This one is seems to be doing rather well. Get a long green run here. Play it forward like this. Alright, so over here on this side, we pick up a long right there. We get a pretty sharp pullback here. Right about there. Zoom in on this a little bit more. So from there to there, looks like we barely miss the stop there. I mean, by like 1 pip it looks like. And then we do get a push to the upside right there. That one looks like, yep, going to get us to take profit definitely on that push. Now we're going to void this signal right here because we were already in this trade when this signal took place, and so that one we would ignore. Alright, then over here on this side, we pick up another long signal right there. Go ahead and play this forward. That one looks like we're gonna get stopped out. Yep, that one stops us out right there. So, alright, we are at the end of the year. Before we add these up, now would be a good time to say that if you are interested in excelling your trading knowledge, I highly recommend that you join our Patreon only channel on our Discord server. You can find a link to our Patreon down below. Once you sign up for that, it will give you access to the Patreon only channel where we are posting some really great advanced information about trading, trading strategies, trading indicators, trading philosophy, the whole thing. Our admin Jay has also put together a rather lengthy list of winning indicators for the MT platform. And so if you use the MT platforms quite a bit rather than TradingView, that would be a really handy list for you to have. Our regular members as well as the admins are posting regular, almost everyday trade analysis, market analysis, where they are posting screenshots of areas of support and resistance and indicators where they are entering trades, exiting trades, taking profits, the whole deal. They are growing small accounts really quickly with the information that they're putting out for everyone to see. And so again, really, really great stuff. Lastly, one thing that I've been doing here lately is I've put together a Excel sheet of all the strategies that we have tested. And so that sheet will tell you which strategies were winners, which ones were losers, their win rates, and links to the videos to go back and review those strategies. And so you'll get that as well as the full list of indicators that we have tested with their win rates, which ones were losers and which ones were winners. So a lot of great, wonderful information that you get for really super cheap. Doesn't cost hardly anything at all. So, all right, back to the indicator here. Let me turn off the indicator so that way we can actually see a little bit better there. Let's add these up, see what we get. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So we have 7 trades altogether, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 winning trades. So that is going to meet the 60% criteria. Now, it didn't give a lot of signals in the 1 year's time, but the creator of this indicator said that it was stable on the lower time frames as well. And so obviously we haven't tested it on that, but I would be interested to see what kind of win rate it can achieve on lower time frames. But for now, this one is going to go on the yes list, and we will move on to the next indicator from here. If you have not already, like this video, share this video, comment below, and subscribe to the channel. Also turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. So that way you know what indicators we have tested and are testing. Also, there is a link down below to join our Discord server, which is a free group communication platform where we discuss all things trading related. There is also a link down below to TradingView, and if you use that link to TradingView to sign up for an account, you will save a little bit of money. And lastly, there is a link down below to sign up for Patreon. Please sign up for the Patreon and support the channel the best way you can.